Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. I want to make this video to show you guys how you can transfer crypto for free without paying any kind of transaction fee. Yes, you heard me well. You know, you and I know that sending crypto can be very expensive sometimes, okay? Let's say you want to send like $100 to somebody. Let's say if you are doing that on Binance, if you are sending like $100, sometimes you end up paying like $8, $7. From my experience, sometimes you pay $10 just to send like $100 to somebody. Yes. And let's say you are using USDT. If you are using USDT and you are sending like $100 on Binance, you pay $1. Do you get that? So if you are sending like $100 using Ethereum or using BTC, BNB, and you are paying like $8 to $10 as a transaction fee, you and I agree that it's quite expensive. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your crypto to someone, okay, without you paying any transaction fee, okay. But whoever you are going to be sending this crypto to should also have a Binance account and must have done his or her KYC on Binance, okay? That is the only way the person will be able to redeem or get the crypto that you'll be sending to that person, okay? That is just the only thing the person needs to do, to have a Binance account, and also must have done his or her KYC, okay? So now, let's go straight to the video. So what you do is this: you see this icon here that shows your profile, okay. You click on the icon, okay. Mind you, this tutorial I'm taking it on the app, on the Binance app, but you can also do the same thing on the web, okay. You can do the same thing on the web. Just try follow the same process through the profile and all that. You get it direct, okay. So when you come down here, you can see we have different tasks here, you know. Or you look for gift card. Now, we are not sending gift card in form of gift card per se, but it's going to be something kind of similar to gift card, okay. So you click on this gift card, okay. When you click on gift card, then it's going to bring you to this interface, okay. When it brings you to this interface, you can see we have this is for gift card, send and receive, but in this case we are sending crypto. You can see we are sending crypto, okay, which means that you could send Luna, you can send Cardano, you can send Doge, you can send BTC, BNB, USDT, any of the coin on Binance you can send, okay. So in this case, all your recipient need to have is an SMS, a phone number, okay, a phone number or an email address. That's all your recipient, whoever you are sending the crypto to, should have, and also a Binance account that is verified. So let's continue. So what you do is you click on this send transfer crypto. You can see transfer crypto here. When you click on this transfer crypto, it's going to bring you to this interface, okay. When it brings you to this interface, you click on this coin here. You click here, okay. When you click here, it's going to show you all kind of coins. You can see it's showing me this Doge and this USDT because I have, it's highlighting these two because I have little amount of money here. If you have any other coin, it could be Inch, it could be Aave, it could be ACA, it could be ACH, whatever coin you have is going to highlight it here for you, okay. So because I have Doge and USDT, that is why these two are highlighted here. So we are going to be sending Doge, okay, to my friend. So let's click on this Doge. Okay, we click on Doge. Now here, you see where it says amount. It depends on the amount you want to send to the person. Let's assume you are sending 5 Doge to the person. You just type in 5. If you are sending 2 Doge, you type in 2. And if you want to send by percentage, let's say you want to say the percentage of your total sum. Let's say the percentage of my 5 Doge now, and I want to send like 25% of my total 5 Doge. I click on that, right? Then I'll come down here. So in this case, I'm sending 1.2 Doge to my friend. So it gives you two options here. Is either you send this crypto through email or you send it through text message. But in my own case, I'm going to be sending it to my friend through his email address. So I'm going to click on email. Okay, when I click on email, it will ask me to put the email address of my friend. Then I'm going to put the email address of my friend here. Okay, this is the email address of my friend. After putting the email address of my friend, I'm going to click on this transfer. When I click on transfer, to be sure that I'm actually I'm the person that is actually sending this crypto out of my wallet on Binance, is asking me for SMS authentication. So I'm going to ask for SMS authentication. I'm going to ask for SMS authentication. Let's wait for the SMS authentication to come. It has come. Then I'm going to input it here, and I'm going to submit to verify that I'm the one sending the crypto out. You see, the 1.2 Doge has been successfully sorry please, the 1.2 Doge has been successfully sent to my friend. You can see it transfer successfully. Okay, it says we will send an email on your behalf. He or she will receive the gift card number, code, and your message. Okay, so I'm going to say I got it. Okay, so invariably the crypto has been sent to my friend. The Doge has been sent to my friend. Now I'm going to go to the email address. Okay, I'm going to go. I actually sent it to one of my email address, but I'm using my friend as a reference point so that you get to understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to go to the email where I sent this coin to, and I'm going to redeem it as well so that you just get to see all the processes. Let's go to the email I sent the crypto to. I'm going to go to the email. Okay, you can see Binance sent you. You can see the message just came in. Binance sent you a Binance gift card. So when you send the crypto, it's going to go to the recipient in form of a gift card. Okay, so let's click on the mail. You can see the mail just came in. You can see now it just came in. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so you can see this is how whoever you're going to send it to is going to receive it in form of a gift card. So you can see 1.2 Doge. Remember I sent 1.2 Doge. This is it. This is it. This is how the person is going to receive it. Okay, so this is the code. It's like I rightly told you, it's going to come in form of a gift card. Now this is the code the person is going to use to get this crypto into his or her wallet. Okay, now I'm going to redeem this particular Doge back into my account so you get to understand how you can also redeem it, assuming somebody is sending crypto to you in form of gift card. Okay, let's go back to my account. So when you come back to your account, remember, let's go back so that I'll show you exactly how you're going to redeem this, assuming somebody send the crypto to you. Okay, so what you do, like the normal process will follow from your profile at the top here. From your profile at the top here, you click it, then you come down to gift card here. Okay, then you come up here where it says receive. Remember, we are trying to get that crypto that was sent to, let's assume, my friend, to redeem it, to redeem the crypto back into his wallet. Okay, in this case I'm going to redeem it back into my wallet. Then I'm going to click on receive here. Okay, then I click on redeem crypto. Okay, when I click on redeem crypto, that code, this code that we just copied, from here, from the email, this code that we just copied from the email, that is the code I'm going to paste. Okay, in here where I say gift card code. Okay, because it is going to come in form of gift card actually. So I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to click on, after pasting it here, then I'm going to click on redeem. Okay, I'm going to click on here where it says redeem. Okay, then I click on redeem. Then I come down here for confirmation and I click on redeem again. Then you see automatically the card has been redeemed. So you can see the 1.5 Doge has been redeemed. That is exactly how you can send crypto to anybody, okay, to any of your recipients, provided the person has a verified Binance account. That is how you can easily send crypto without paying any transaction fee. Okay, now I want to believe you got value from this video. Remember, please like this video so that others will get to see it, and also please subscribe to the channel and click that notification button so that others will get to see it. Thank you very much.